Hi everyone, welcome to Knowledge is Power. In today's video, we'll be exploring Articles 12 to 35 of the Indian Constitution, which cover the fundamental rights of Indian citizens. If you're looking for notes, you can find them on our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. Let's dive in. Article 12, Definition of State. This article defines the term state for the purpose of fundamental rights. It includes the government, parliament, state legislatures, and all local authorities. Article 13, Laws inconsistent with fundamental rights. It ensures that any law that violates fundamental rights is void. It protects citizens from any arbitrary laws that infringe upon their rights. Article 14, Equality before the law. It guarantees every person equality before the law and equal protection of the laws within the territory of India. Article 15, Prohibition of discrimination. This article prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. It promotes equality in public spaces and access to services. Article 16, Equality of opportunity in employment. It ensures no citizen is discriminated against in matters of public employment based on religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Article 17, Abolition of untouchability. Untouchability is abolished and its practice in any form is forbidden. This article is a significant step towards eliminating caste-based discrimination. Article 18, Abolition of titles. It prohibits the state from conferring titles, except military or academic distinctions, ensuring equality and discouraging class-based hierarchy. Article 19, Protection of certain rights. It provides citizens with 6 fundamental freedoms, including the freedom of speech and expression, assembly, association, movement, residence, and profession. Article 20, Protection in respect of conviction for offences. This article grants protection against arbitrary convictions, prohibiting ex post facto laws, double jeopardy, and self-incrimination. Article 21, Protection of life and personal liberty. It guarantees that no one shall be deprived of life or personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. Article 21A, Right to education. It mandates free and compulsory education for all children between the ages of 6 and 14. Article 22, Protection against arrest and detention. This article provides safeguards against arbitrary arrest and detention, including the right to be informed of the reasons for arrest and the right to legal representation. Article 23, Prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. It prohibits human trafficking, forced labor, and any form of exploitation. Article 24, Prohibition of employment of children in hazardous jobs. It prohibits the employment of children below the age of 14 in factories and hazardous industries. Articles 25 to 28, Right to freedom of religion. These articles ensure the freedom to practice, profess, and propagate any religion while also protecting the secular nature of the state. They allow religious communities to manage their own affairs. Articles 29 and 30, Cultural and educational rights. Article 29 protects the cultural interests of minorities, and Article 30 grants them the right to establish and administer their own educational institutions. Article 32, Right to constitutional remedies. It allows citizens to approach the Supreme Court to enforce their fundamental rights. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar called this the heart and soul of the Constitution. Articles 33 to 35, Restrictions on fundamental rights. These articles empower Parliament to impose restrictions on the fundamental rights of members of the armed forces, enact laws related to martial law, and define the execution of fundamental rights. That's it for our breakdown of Articles 12 to 35 of the Indian Constitution. These articles form the backbone of our democratic rights. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge is Power. For detailed notes, visit our Telegram channel, link in the description below. Stay informed because knowledge is power.